The virtual tray provides direct access to all the digital slides associated with the case. At the top of the virtual tray, the patient's name, birth date, and case ID are displayed. Below this, thumbnails of the digital slides are arranged according to the case hierarchy. Each part section includes the code of the part, its topography, and its description. These sections can be expanded or collapsed as needed. Similarly, each block section shows the block code and its description. Thumbnails within each block section can be sorted by clicking the calendar icon to sort them by image creation date, or the AZ icon to sort them by slide barcode. Sorting options include both ascending and descending orders. Hovering the mouse over a thumbnail reveals additional details, such as the slide barcode and image creation date. Below each thumbnail, the slide code and stain type are displayed. Clicking on a thumbnail opens the corresponding digital slide for viewing. The eye icon represents the slide's visualization status. A grey icon indicates that the user has not viewed the slide. Once slide navigation starts, the icon automatically changes to light blue. Clicking the eye icon manually marks the slide as completed, and the icon changes into a check mark. This action can be undone by clicking the icon again. The star icon marks a digital slide as a favourite. Clicking on the grey star adds the slide to the favourites list and changes the star to blue. Clicking the icon again removes the slide from favourites. This information is saved at the user level. The virtual tray can be collapsed or expanded using the button located at the bottom of the screen. To configure the layout of the virtual tray, click the Show Hide Layout Configuration window button on the toolbar. In the Virtual Tray section of the window that opens, it is possible to orient the virtual tray vertically or horizontally, display 1 or 2 thumbnails per row or column based on the selected orientation, and choose between using the digital slide image or the photo of the glass slide as the thumbnail. Click OK to apply changes, or Cancel to close the window without saving. These settings are saved at the user level and will be applied whenever a digital pathology case is opened by the user.